I have a Samsung Galaxy A51 here. I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card, okay? Very, very simple. Now take note, I'm putting a 256 gig in here, but the max size is actually 512 gigabytes. So first thing you got to do is go ahead and take out your SIM tray or SD card tray. It's on the top left-hand side. Grab your SIM ejection tool. One came out of your box right here. If you don't have this laying around, you can use another phone SIM ejection tool. You can even use a thin bobby pin, paper clip, even the back of a stud earring, okay? Anyways, top left-hand side, we see that little hole, and we see the outline of the tray. Go ahead and put the needle right into that hole, and then go ahead and press in a little bit, and that lip's gonna pop out just like that. Now go ahead and pull it out just like this, and you can see I already have my SIM card in here, okay? So leave it just like this, and now grab your SD card, and you can see all the writing here is on right side up. So I'm going to simply place it right on top just like this, and it's kind of going to snap into place, okay? So you want to go ahead and press this down. Okay, there we go. So just make sure it's nice and flush there, and then we're going to go ahead and slide this in, and then I'm also going to double check that it's in properly, and we're also going to, or I'll show you how to format the SD card as well. So I'm going to slide that in there, and then once it's in, next thing we want to do is we want to go into the settings here. Let's go into the settings, and then from here what we want to do is we want to go down to where it says device care. So here it is right here, device care. Tap on device care. Next thing is go ahead and tap on storage right here. Tap on the storage. Now, if you look down here, it should say SD card. If it doesn't, then it's not incorrectly. You need to reinsert it, or maybe it's corrupted. Anyways, I see SD card right here. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Oops, sorry. Let's go back. And you don't want to tap SD card. We got to tap on advanced down here. Tap on advanced, and then we see SD card here under portable storage. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. And now we get an option of format. Don't forget, a format, you're basically erasing everything on there. So format this SD card. This SD card needs to be formatted before you can use it. I'm going to go ahead and continue. It's going to erase everything that's on my SD card currently, okay? Format SD card. We should get a status bar here, and give it a few seconds to get done. All right, SD card is set up. Your SD card is ready to use, and there you go. And now we can just go back here, and you can see I only have like 2.62 megs out of like 240. It's a 256 gigger, but every time, even if you format the SD card, there's always some system files on there. So usually you have between like 2 to 5 megabytes of system files. Okay, so there you go. Pretty simple. Good luck, guys.